Everyone is shouting FREE, but it's not free.
For 12 days, I tested 30 so-called free AI video generators. Every single one, pay.
I was supposed to upload. I was tired. I just wanted one tool that doesn't ask for my card.
I searched the whole internet. I thought, in this whole world, there must be one.
And I found it. One that is still actually free. No pay, no watermark.
And I give you assurance today, Fakio, after this video, you will never need to search for free video generator again.
It's not new. You might know it before. You might have seen it. But you missed how to use it for unlimited video. Let me show you on my laptop.
Remember I told you, you might know it before? This is it. Just open your Chrome browser, now type Qwen Studio and click on it. Once you're inside, look here, click on the plus button. Now click on Create Video. That's it. Now just type the video you want. Like literally anything you imagine, and you get it. No watermark, no limit, it's free and unlimited. You can create as many as you want. I told you. After this, you will never need to search for a free video generator again.